In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix the Netflix error code M7701-1003 and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to go to the Microsoft Edge. So over here, as you can see, in my case, I have signed into this. So if you're having any kind of browser, what you need to do is, and if you get in this kind of trouble, click on the three-dot menu here. Now from here, go to the settings. So first thing, go to the extension and make sure if you're having any kind of an extension, you have to turn it off. And also try removing those kind of extension from here. You have to just remove it. After removing the extension, the most probably you have to try with it, and you just need to go back to the settings this time. And from here, click on the privacy, search and services. And from here, click on clear browsing data. Make sure that you select browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, and the cached image. And make sure that you set this to the old time. And now go for the cleared now. Once it is clear, you can just go back and the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And this is what we have to do, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.